Stand alone. Do not give up. Opponent revived. 1 minute left. Just the two of you now.
Oh, again. Again, baby.
Stand alone. Do not give up. Opponent revived. 1 minute left, my friend. Only one enemy is left. Opponent revived. 1 minute left, my friend. Only one enemy is left.
Oh my goodness. Melting all three of them with Tarrabah and falling off the map and still surviving. What is going on, everybody? I hope y'all enjoyed the intro clips here. This weekend was, I don't even know what this map is called, but we were farming for the Summoner. It's finally back in the new sandbox, and I'll be honest, it was a pain in the butt to get. So I did put a poll on YouTube. I asked what weapons y'all wanted me to do, and it was tied between Tarrabah and Vex Mythoclast. And I started the weekend off with Vex, and I was getting smoked. There was so much team shots with auto rifles, the Prosecutor, the Summoner, the Amit. There was even the Vanguard version of the Amit, and I was just getting wrecked in every freaking engagement. I was getting really mad. So I switched over to One-Eyed Mask and Tarrabah, and well, you know what I do with Tarrabah. I smelt. So I hope y'all enjoy the gameplay. Towards the end, we'll look at the Summoner Adepts that I got, see if any of them are the roles I was looking for, and I'll tell y'all what I am going for as far as what roles I think are good for the Summoner for PvE, PvP, and I'd love to know in the comment section down below what weapons y'all want to see me play with, or if y'all just love seeing some Tarrabah action, and if y'all got Adept Summoner. Again, as always, I thank you so much for checking out the videos. If you enjoy it, hit the like and subscribe button. And if y'all want to play with me, I want more people to play raids with, trials, and so on. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comment section below, or join my Discord. I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, this intro has gone on way too long. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Only one enemy is left.
Excellent. I'll take all 3 kills there. Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Only one enemy is left. Only one enemy is left.
There we go.
Only one enemy is
Whew.
left. Your ghost cannot help you. Look to your fire team and bring down your opponents.
Excellent.
But hungry. Only one enemy is left. You are eager to begin, I can see it. So go then, fight.
There we go.
Opponent revived. 1 minute left, my friend. Opponent revived. Your ally is back in the fight. Only one enemy is left.
Ace. Triple piece, baby.
Back in the fight. Opponent revived. Only one enemy is left.
Yes, there we go, baby.
Yay. Very good.
Alright, that's one kill.
Only one enemy is left.
Nice. Alright, trade.
Your ally is back in the... It is just you now, friend. Fight until you have nothing left. Guardian against Guardian. Showdown! Opponent revived. Just the two of you now. Fight! Fight! 1 minute left, my friend. Your ally is back in the...
Oof.
1 minute left, my friend.
Oh, get melted, bro.
It is just you now. Fight until you have nothing left.
Oh. Oh. Nice.
Only one enemy is left.
Got him. And an orb of power. Oof.
1 minute left, my friend. Guardian, it is you alone. Be brave. You alone will bring victory. I'll let you come. Your ally is back in the fight.
There we go, dude. I'm so glad he didn't go for that res. That's with scatter nades, huh? I want to try nothing manacles with, I think that's the exotic. Well, I mean just to boost the general thing in general. Boost the grenades by holding them.
1 minute left, my friend.
There we go, let's go. That's game over. Sorry, little bro. Freaking came back. They had 4 wins, we had 1, and we won the game. And you know what? I didn't even deserve an auto rifle for that, even though I clutched up multiple games. So I didn't get one. Because Bungie's like that. Did I just get a double kill there?
Match point and back the fight. Only one enemy is left. It is just you.
There we go.
Until you have nothing left. Ha! That will teach them to stay out of your way.
Nice little shotgun shot. Man, if we make an 0-4 comeback here, that would be great.
This is easy.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh.
Axion bolts.
Your ally is back in the fight. Next time, my friend. Next time.
In a good way? Good. You know, I bet they're gonna buff special ammo weapons and make them all stronger since they are now nerfing the ammo. Feel like they're gonna say that's to help break up team shooting. Let's see. 10% of people are using Stompies, Ophidian Aspects, and Worm Husk. And then Dune Marchers is the most used Titan exotic. Second is One-Eyed Mask, but... yeah, that is... let's see, for Titans only, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 6th for Titans at 1.7% usage. Yeah, it's underneath Armamentarium, Peregrine Greaves, Peacekeepers, One-Eyed Mask, and Dune Marchers. Reverse order. Dune Marchers being the #1 used.
What?
Oh my gosh. Man, I love that people just spam all their abilities in the first round. Yeah. Nice. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to the Lighthouse, guys. Place is for fire teams that shows command the best fire teams. That means you. Congratulations. Your victories bear rewards. Go, take them. Use
You could be on for a while or what?
fight your way to the top. And soon,
Alright.
I will see you here again and again. Those you have triumphed over will look to your example, your guidance, your hope. These will be precious tools in the trying times to come. Fight, win, and fight again. This is your duty.
Why can't I activate the chest? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. No, don't even pull that one on me. Alright. Oh, you go without me. Not that good a roll. I'll put it on though for you to see. Armor piercing, alloy, arrowhead break, fluted barrel, stability masterwork. The other perk besides incandescent is tap the trigger. Oh, look at me, I'm meta defining. This thing doesn't fucking move, bro. That's crazy. I was just shooting a wall with it and it did not move at all. Alright everybody, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the clips. We are going to go over my rolls real fast, but first I gotta say I felt like some of those highlights were really hype. And a little pat on my own back here, I did try and do an edit which I felt very confident in. A seamless transition. If y'all noticed it, let me know in the comment section below. But basically, like, I made it to where it reloaded instantly and combined like two clips. I thought it looked great. But anyways, so playing trials, we did get like 13 summoners, I believe, including the one I turned in. We're just gonna go through the rolls really fast. So this one came with target lock, golden tricorn overflow. You got kill clip, target lock, heal clip. You got target lock, tap the trigger, subsistence. Target lock, rampage overflow. Tap the trigger, target lock, perpetual. Tap the trigger, incandescent overflow. Target lock, onslaught, elemental. Golden tricorn, rampage, perpetual. Kill clip, golden tricorn, perpetual. Golden tricorn, rampage, perpetual. Incandescent, golden tricorn, elemental. Incandescent, heal clip, and rampage. And this is the best auto rifle I came out with today. Incandescent, kill clip with heal clip, high caliber rounds, fluted barrel, and a reload masterwork. This is absolutely perfect. Like, everything on this gun is perfect for PvE in my opinion. I did not want anything else. I think high caliber rounds is great for stunning ads. Fluted barrel gives that handling abilities, and I'm going to use it with my heir apparent build, so I'm going to have actually more rig to reload, but a reload masterwork is very helpful in PvE. Now, what y'all noticed in all that constant talk was I didn't get a single Zen moment. I mean, out of 13 rolls, you're telling me I couldn't get a single Zen moment roll? That is insane. That's what I really wanted for PvP, so the role I was going for PvE was alacrity, of course. I mean, honestly, these perks weren't too bad. I guess in the front end, if you're worried about your gunshots, you should go tap the trigger, but honestly, I kind of wanted onslaught, so maybe tap the trigger and onslaught together. More so just for fun than anything. And then here, I wanted Zen moment 100%. Because sometimes I struggle with recoil on weapons, as I'm sure y'all have noticed from some of my clips. So Zen moment would just help me control it better. I do love stability, so generally I recommend ricochet rounds because I love having my stability maxed, but high caliber rounds and the flinch that comes from that can really help you win your gunfights. So I would honestly go one of these two, depending on how you're feeling there. And then, I mean, honestly, I didn't feel like I really needed to fix the recoil. I felt like I was landing some shots, but of course, if I did need to worry about the recoil, I'd probably throw on a chambered compensator or arrowhead break. But if not, I mean, small bore's always been my favorite barrel, so anytime I can, I always pick small bore unless the recoil is like absolutely atrocious. Masterwork, I mean, again, I'd go stability, but most people will probably recommend range because they're always worried about that damage fall off. And I mean, of course, mods, again, stability or range, masterwork, mods. And that's it for me. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all got your summoner. I saw a lot of people with Zen Moment in trials, so I hope y'all did. And like I said at the intro, if y'all want to play, let me know. Drop some gamer tags in the comment section. Alright, until the next time. Peace.